When you perform organic spotting experiment, there is one test, rather group of tests, that will help you in correct identification of compound. But if you miss that test, your result will be wrong for sure. This really important test is solubility test. In this video, you will learn how to perform this test, what observations to look for, and how to draw correct inferences. So, in short, you will learn how to determine chemical nature of compound. Hello friends. You know that there are enormous number of organic compounds with various functional groups like alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohols, aldehydes, ketones, acids, esters, amines. List is exhaustive. And it is really difficult to identify these compounds separately. So, for our convenience, for easy identification of these compounds, we have grouped them into four groups according to their chemical nature, and these four groups are acids, phenols, bases, and neutral. Out of various tests that we perform during organic spotting experiment, solubility test is one that helps us in determining chemical nature of substance. In solubility test, we check solubility of given substance in certain reagents. And from observation made, we come to know whether substance is acid, phenol, base, or neutral. We start by checking solubility of substance in water. How we do this? Take small quantity of substance in test tube and add water to it. Shake it well and observe if your substance is soluble. If substance is soluble in water, we take certain tests to determine its chemical nature. I will prepare separate video and show you how to determine chemical nature of water soluble compound. In this video, let us assume that our substance is insoluble in water. In case substance is insoluble in water, we test solubility of substance in these reagents: sodium bicarbonate, NaOH, and HCl, of course serially. So let us take first test, substance plus sodium bicarbonate. Take small quantity of substance in test tube and add sodium bicarbonate to it and observe carefully. There are two possibilities. First possibility is that substance will dissolve in sodium bicarbonate and you will observe effervescence, just like when we open bottle of soft drink. So in this case, no need to do further test, and if your substance is soluble in sodium bicarbonate with effervescence, you will say with guarantee that given substance is acid. Now question is why? Organic acids contain functional group COOH, carboxylic acid. So NaSCO3 is a base, and when we add solution of sodium bicarbonate to substance, acid-base reaction takes place as shown. Now as you can see, since salt is formed, substance get dissolved in sodium bicarbonate and evolution of gas, that is carbon dioxide, takes place. So you observe effervescence. But now what if your substance is insoluble in sodium bicarbonate? Yes, you will say that acid is absent, and in this case you will move to next test. Now next test is substance plus NaOH. Again consider about two possibilities. First possibility is that your substance is soluble in NaOH. So again you will stop at this very moment and you will say that given substance is phenol. Now why? Because phenols are compound containing group AROH, that is hydroxyl OH group attached to aromatic ring. So phenols are also acidic, but they are weaker than organic acids. So when we add strong base NaOH, acid-base reaction takes place as shown, and since salt is formed, phenol get dissolved in NaOH. Now again consider about second possibility that your substance is insoluble in NaOH. So now you can say with guarantee that phenol is absent. And in this case, we'll move to next test. Now take small quantity of substance in test tube and add HCl. If substance dissolves completely, you will say that given substance is base. Which functional group in organic compound show basic nature? Amines. So when substance is soluble in HCl, you will come to know that basic compound means either primary, secondary or tertiary amine group must be present. Amines are basic in nature, and when we add HCl to it, acid-base reaction takes place as shown, and due to formation of salt, amines are soluble in HCl. Now consider second possibility that your substance is insoluble in HCl. So in this case, your conclusion will be base absent. And if you find that your substance does not dissolve in sodium bicarbonate, NaOH and HCl, you understand that it cannot be acid, cannot be phenol, and it cannot be base, so it should be neutral in nature. So which organic compounds are neutral? Carbohydrates, aldehydes, ketone, ester, alcohol, hydrocarbons, all these are neutral compounds. Once you get correct nature of compound, it becomes easy to identify them. This is concept chart. Just take screenshot of this. Remember, if your substance is liquid, you will use words miscible or immiscible in place of soluble, insoluble. So in next video, I will show you how to identify chemical nature of organic compound if compound is water soluble.